Yeah, hello everyone. So we'll start today's Cryptotrade1 meeting now. And as every one of us know that today's topic will be based on our latest upgraded blogs, and after then we'll have a Q&A session as well. So the first thing is that yesterday itself we have updated that how you can capture a huge profit on Binance and Coinbase a new coin listing. Okay, so the complete blog explanation we have given over there. And as you know that any particular crypto coin or token is getting listed with a reputed exchange with good volume traders. Okay, so you will be able to see almost 30 to 50% hike in particular coins. Okay, so on that basis we have created a blog where you can see that how you can grab this kind of opportunity, and you can earn almost 30 to 50% return within a one day itself. Okay, so on that we have prepared a complete blog that specifically it is on Binance or Coinbase. Then definitely they are one of our top exchanges. Okay, and you will be able to see almost 30 to 50% increment in the crypto price. So all the explanation along with the number, and what should be the awareness and trading volume, circulating supply, by step it is provided. You can see almost 6 steps we have given. So it will be very helpful if you go through this blog, and definitely you can earn a very good profit. After then, the second update was regarding how to retire with a $100,000 salary in 12 months with $2,311 of investment. So in this blog, we have completely explained about a drip strategy that as you know, I'll give a basic explanation that drip network is a decentralized platform, and it's running on a BSC, and each day you can earn and you can get reward from that. So complete explanation along with some of a third party article also we have considered just for a better explanation. So you can check each and every details over there, and you can also understand about a drip strategy. And also we have mentioned that how you can get started with a drip. So all these things it is available on our blog. And the most third important update is about latest Bitfinex Ethereum transaction. So that also will explain to you. Yeah, so actually this transaction was placed on 27th, and a crypto exchange, that's a Bitfinex, they have paid almost 24 million transaction fee for a 1000 $400,000 tether transaction on Ethereum network. Okay, and it was a technical error. And the good thing is that the miner who verified this transaction and who received that amount has already sent most of that amount back to the Bitfinex. So actually the thing is that it is one of a error that is almost everyone has noticed, and we have also attached a screenshot of that one, that you can see the transaction here is 100,000 only USDT, that's a tether. And for that transaction they have paid around 7676 ETH, and the price of Ethereum was 2927 at that time. So the thing is that if you are also going through this kind of updates, you will come to know that the defi the like it's a very emerging platform right now, but still there are some of the bugs and errors to be fixed with it. And you have to make transaction, or if you trade also, you have to take a proper care, you have to understand the market, and then only you have to enter. So for that we are here with as a Crypto Trade 1 to provide you all the guidance. I request everyone please not to draw anything. I request all the participant, please, whoever is just misbehaving, this is not the right way for a financial meeting like this, and we will not able to conduct like this.
Why? What happened there? Why did that thing appear?
Yes,
Is this real?
yeah, I think one of a participant is just trying to misbehave, and this kind of things is not tolerable. Please, I request everyone to just understand what the thing is going on. If you are not interested in this topic, you can leave the meeting, it is completely fine.
But seriously, it's really disrespectful for some people to just do this nonsense. You don't pay for educations like this, and still yet you interrupt people that want to learn. That's some stupid ass stuff that I've
Yes,
ever seen in my
I
life.
request whoever is doing it, please. Already I have removed one of a participant, and if it will continue like this, I will remove other participant as well. We are not
Yeah,
taking
I agree. I'm
charges.
trying to learn and I want to invest.
Yes,
So
we are
Honestly,
not taking any charges for this. Understand? It is just for a educational purpose. It is just to aware people about a crypto. It's just to aware them about the transaction and the glitches are happening with the decentralized finance right now, and what kind of advantages they can get. So I just appreciate if you will understand all the things clearly, and I'm starting my screen sharing option again. I hope this time it will not happen.
all right, sir.
Okay, so actually this screenshot we have attached, and that's one of a very we can say good move by that miner who received this transaction and who received that gas fee, and he sent that amount back. But usually it like doesn't happen with all the clients. Okay, so you can understand that screen sharing option we cannot keep it for today, I
I
think.
was what happened? I wasn't looking and it just went off.
Will not make it screen sharing option today, as it's going really very bad, because they are not understanding the actual meaning of learning. So better I'll not continue with the screen sharing. If you have any doubts and questions to ask, we can go with the Q&A session for now, and after then we'll conclude the meeting.
Oh, I thought it was really useful, the what you had on screen.
Yeah, but actually they are trying to have like behave like very rudely, and they are drawing anything on screen. We have already made restriction, but I don't know, there is some technical error is there.
Can you remove that person,
I've already removed some
please?
of them, but I'm not able to find.
Oh,
Yeah, we can go with the Q&A session. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts or query, you can ask, and I will try to assist you. That would be better.
Okay, sorry, good evening, Mr. Samir, once again.
Yes, sir, tell me.
Sorry, actually, I don't have any questions. It's just commendation. I just want to say thank you for your time, for trying to educate us, for the community, the crypto community, and the traders. Also, I want to really appreciate you because everything you explain, and from your Telegram group to your Zoom meeting, is actually clear to me. So I don't have any question. Just I want to say thank you.
That's really good, sir. I appreciate your response, and I hope that you are enjoying our some of the free recommendations as well. And make sure that you have already joined our Telegram channel, because it's not about being a premium client or just to take updates with free, but we are trying to make a revolution in crypto world. And as you know, the crypto is upcoming future, so
Yes,
we
sir.
are we
Yes.
are trying our best. So if you find any doubts, any help you require from our company, you can definitely come. You can talk to us anytime, and we'll be happy to help you.
All right, sir.
Sir, could
Thank
you
you.
put that Telegram link in the chat, please?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Thank you, sir.
I'll attach.
I really appreciate this as well because, yeah, I want to know the strategies and invest a lot more.
Yeah, I have attached my Telegram link, and I will also directly put the communication link over there if you want to ask questions on Telegram.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Some of participants are also joining new. If you have any questions, new participants also, you can ask. I will just revise it. The today's topic was based on the Ethereum transaction, and on the base of a coin listing, that how you can earn instant profit on a coin listing. That could be a little bit risky in crypto market, because it's unpredictable, but still with the small investment it is possible. So it was all about today with Ethereum and Binance Coinbase only.
Sorry, Mr. Samir.
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't actually come into the meeting very early because before I could close from the office, I go home. I
Mhm.
got your link. So please, I don't know if you can give us a quick recap of the whole topic of today, of
Yeah,
how to.
I'll explain you. And one more thing, the same thing, that's this meeting is already recorded from beginning. So if you want to check a complete detail on with the Zoom meeting, this meeting will be uploaded on our YouTube. Okay, so you can directly check on YouTube as well. I have already provided a link for YouTube. And today's
Okay.
topic was on the Ethereum transaction, that on DeFi it still errors are there, that the Bitfinex, they have paid a $23 million as a transaction fee for the transfer of a $100,000 Ether. You can
Mm,
imagine, for 1 lakh.
100,000.
Yes.
wow.
So that kind of error is there. It's a good thing that that miner has already repaid the amount, whatever the amount that he received, he already sent it back. But it was a good and honest move by that miner, but it never happen again and again with each and every miner. So the thing is that
Sir, to
whatever
make
the
$100,000, how much money you start with?
it's from Bitfinex exchange, understand, they already have a reserve with these potential cryptos, so that's a very normal thing for them.
Sir,
Okay.
if you could make me $100,000, oh
Yes.
wow, wow, wow.
So the topic
Not
was
a rich
related
man
that
I'm happy
only.
with $1,000. You would change my life, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't understand why you contemplating about $100,000 where you can make that of crypto trading. Like really, you see, Mr. Samir provide good potential signal with your margin and your capital. I'm sure you can make enough profit. And 100,000 naira in crypto, it's not like much of a like a big deal like that.
Sir, we
But
are going to be a brother.
All right, so actually the update was regarding that only, and after then I'm already uploading this meeting on YouTube as well. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can directly connect with me. And also I've already given my Telegram link, so you can come up on Telegram with more questions. I will be there only. Thank you so much everyone for connecting. I'm just concluding this right now here only, and we'll connect with the better setup, and I will take care that next time this kind of a things, this kind of a mischief will not happen again. Okay,
all
thank
right.
you so much.
So I'll go to the YouTube now and go and watch the whole video
Thank
for
you so much.
today's meeting.
Yes, within 10 minutes it will be uploaded on YouTube. I've already given a link. Okay,
All right. Thank you very much. Do have a
welcome.
lovely day.
Yeah, yeah, you too.